Hi everybody, welcome to our Nerola's kitchen. And how are you? I'm really very good, thank you. So today we are going to prepare chicken fry, which my grandmother used to prepare, and today now we are preparing. And so for preparing chicken fry, what are the ingredients which we use to prepare? That is chicken we have taken. It is 250 grams of chicken we have taken, and also if you see the ingredients, it is red chili powder we have taken, and also the coriander powder and garam masala and turmeric powder we have taken, and salt, oil. And if you see this, this is a finely this is a fine grated, and also the fine powder of grated dry coconut. And also we have, in this we have added pepper and 5 to 6 ginger, not ginger, sorry, garlic pieces we have added, and we have taken it as powder. So now we have kept the chicken in a pan, and we need to keep this chicken for some 5 minutes of time. 5 minutes, we need to keep this chicken for 5 minutes. Let this water and everything get dry. Chicken, increase the flame to low to medium so that it will cook fast. So now we are adding 1 spoon of salt into it. 1 spoon of salt, and 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Mix this well. So now if you see the water which has come out from the chicken and everything, it got vapor, and now we are adding 1 glass of water. 1 glass of water into it. And now we have added the 1 glass of water. Allow it, leave it like this for another 5 more minutes. So now we are adding coriander powder of 1 spoon. Coriander powder of 1 spoon. Red chili powder of 1 spoon. Red chili powder 1 spoon. And garam masala powder 1/4 spoon. Please mix this well. Mix this well. So now we are adding oil into it. Please add 3 spoons of oil. And add this powder also, dry coconut, and also pepper and garlic. Mix it well. and allow it on stove for 10 more minutes. So if you see here, it's almost done. So let us see the final presentation. So the chicken fry is ready and it's ready to serve. So this we can prepare it for chapatis and white rice, and for all the dishes we can prepare it. And also, if you see, the recipe is really very easy, tasty, delicious, and you can prepare it in just 15 to 20 minutes of time. That's all. So try it, taste it, enjoy it. Please like, share, and subscribe to our Nerola's Kitchen. Thank you.